Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to fix Meta AI not working on WhatsApp. So there are some fixes you can use to avail it. So the first one is ensure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. So if to check that, let's head over to our Play Store and here go to the search icon on the lower right corner and here search for WhatsApp and here comes the WhatsApp app. And go to the WhatsApp Messenger. And here, as you can see, there is an option of update that is available. So I have to update it to its latest version by tapping it in here and installing it again. And the second one is sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. So you have to restart your phone. How you can restart it, just scroll down and here comes the option just beside the gear icon on the top right. Once you tap it, there is the option of restart, power off, medical info, and emergency call. So tap on power off and restart, then you can restart your phone. And the third one is go to your phone settings and find WhatsApp and clear WhatsApp cache. So here you have to clear your cache files of your WhatsApp. And the fourth one is make sure Meta AI is enabled and accessible in your region, because WhatsApp hasn't enabled Meta AI in every region. There is some selective area for which it is available. The fifth one is if the other methods fail, try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. So we can always reinstall WhatsApp anytime. And the last but not the least, if the issue persists, reach out WhatsApp support for further assistance. So let me show you how you can reach out. Search for WhatsApp Help Center and head over to this website. And here you can search for your problem and their possible solutions. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.